Monday, folks. Naomi here with your fix for August 8th. Starting us off with Borderlands 2, it looks like the sequel is set to receive quite a few radical upgrades. This time around, we're getting dynamic story missions, which will change the game's plot based on your triumphs and failures. The sequel will also feature a new element called Iridium that can be combined with guns and vehicles to improve their stats. And remember that stumpy fellow from last week's Borderlands 2 story? Well, apparently he goes by the name of Salvador, and he is a gunzerker, meaning he can wield any weapon in the game. Finally, every single gun from the first Borderlands has been scrapped, but hey, there's millions of new ones, so happy hunting. And more BioWare is always a good thing, well, to me anyway. Electronic Arts announced earlier today that the EA 2D studio has been assimilated into the BioWare family. EA 2D, which previously developed games like Dragon Age Legends on Facebook and Mirror's Edge 2D, has now been branded BioWare San Francisco. That means for San Franciscans like me, this town just got even more awesome. And shooter fans, prepare to surrender your lives. Battlefield 3 is packing 10 times the number of unlocks that Battlefield Bad Company 2 had. In addition to tons of unlockable weapons, attachments, gadgets, and vehicles, there will also be medals, ribbons, and service stars. Those rewards will document things like your commitment, your team play prowess, and of course, your mad skills. Developer DICE said unlocking everything would take years, so if you're an achievement whore, you better tell your friends to screw off ahead of time. Speaking of achievements, Raymond Cox has taken his record-breaking gamer score over 600,000 points. Known as Stallion83 on Xbox Live, the Guinness World Record holder has played over 800 games to reach this milestone. And just so you know, Raymond, I think that's totally hot. To follow Stallion83 on his noble journey, check out the link below. Finally, be sure to head over to IGN to celebrate Metroid's 25th anniversary. This past Saturday, Samus turned the big 2-5, and we have an epic piano medley for you that's guaranteed to blow your mind. Happy birthday, Samus! And that's your fix for August 8th, 2011. I'm Naomi Kyle, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.com. Oh, and one more thing about tonight, guys. Between 10 p.m. and midnight Pacific, IGN will be dead. Okay, maybe not dead. The site will be running a little slow during that time, so be sure to play some Catherine in the meantime, and it'll be up before you know it. Sorry for the trouble.